Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix or enable two-factor authentication into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Facebook application into your device, and after opening the Facebook, simply click to these three bars into the top right. And from there you will get the option of setting and privacy. Click into that, and after that go to settings. Now you will get the option of Meta Account Center. Just simply proceed to Meta Account Center, and now after coming to Meta Account Center into here, you will get the option of password and security. Simply click into that password and security option, and you will get the option to enable two-factor authentication. Now just simply choose two-factor authentication into here and select your Facebook account. And now into my account, it is showing this error in here. I have just logged in my account into this device. In this case, we cannot usually enable the two-factor authentication because the device we are using is new for the account. In order to enable the two-factor authentication, you have to use the account in the same device for quite some time. And if this feature of authentication app is not working, then you can use text message or security case option. Just simply choose any of the suitable option for you and click to next button. Then after that, insert the security key and register it. By following these very easy steps, you can easily enable or fix two-factor authentication into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.